Jessup, Wayne County Airport.
Automated weather observation 2150 Zulu weather wind 290 at 5 visibility.
Straight down the runway.
Look at the haze out there, my. Gauge is green, airspeed still active, rotating, back up.
I bet the wheels are still spinning.
Sure. Well, we'll have it on camera, hopefully.
Oh.
Jessup Wayne County traffic, 9er Foxtrot Lima is on a upwind departure, 29er left close traffic, Jessup. That's right.
What's the density altitude?
2100. Birds way out there. Jessup Wayne County traffic, Cherokee, 9er Foxtrot Lima, left downwind runway 29er, performing simulated engine failure, Jessup traffic, full stop. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Should be using the right RPM settings. Birds up there yet. Pitch up to 85. That's 5 speed. Judge distance. We're always going to lose altitude in the turn, of course. Flaps are out, we're all cleaned up. Alright, we've got plenty of altitude here.
500. Sink rate, pull up.
Perfect.
Ta-da!
Perfect. No flaps.
What? No, we had full flaps.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, we we would have went way too far if I didn't. Which is always better. And once you start the turn, you can really see the altitude start bleeding off.
Oh.
Yeah, that cooled the engine off. Just Wayne County traffic, 9 Fox Charlie was clear of the active Jessup.